Welcome to the Neutrafog configuration tutorial video. This process is only required for the initial setup. You'll need a screwdriver, the Ethernet cable provided, and a Windows 10 home computer or laptop with an Ethernet port, and of course, the Neutrafogger. Start by connecting the Ethernet cable to your computer, leaving the other end disconnected. Make sure you have an active CloudBoard configuration program downloaded on your computer, which is available on our client portal for download. You will also find the user manual for Active Cloud in the client portal. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong enough to have coverage for the whole grow, or is dedicated to the section of the property that you will be using the unit. It needs to be on a 2.4 gigahertz band Wi-Fi connection. This Wi-Fi has the most coverage. Keep in mind that our foggers are intended to be mounted and moved as little as possible, as they require constant power in order to retain their temperature and function properly. The foggers are sophisticated pieces of equipment and constantly run diagnostics in the background. Next, lay the Neutrafogger on its back and completely remove the large cover. There are 4 screws on the cover, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. You must also remove the fluid side panel off the unit. There will be 4 screws for that as well. Bear in mind that the bottom left screw is longer than the remaining 3. The bottom left screw is longer because there is actually a safety contact behind it. It's a safety feature preventing anyone from firing the unit while the fluid bag is being replaced. But for now, please remove it. Also, remove the nut and bolt beneath the side panel. It's required to slide the main cover off the fogger. When you remove the cover, you'll see a PC board to the right of the unit. Make sure that that nozzle is at the top. On the PC board, locate the jumper at the very top of the board and to the right, name P3. You'll see P3 is written above where the jumper is situated. The jumper is covering the 2 right prongs out of the 3 total prongs. Please remember this. Remove the jumper from the prongs. Place the jumper on the Wi-Fi board situated at the bottom of the Fogger PC board on the JP2 prongs. Now, let's jump into the computer. Search for Control Panel on your PC. Click on View Network Status and Tasks. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Hover over Ethernet, right-click on it, and click on Properties. Inside Properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then, click Properties. Select Use the following IP address. Input the following static IP address, 192.168.2.10. Beneath the IP address, the subnet mask will automatically detect 255.255.255.0. And finally, beneath that input, the default gateway, 192.168.2.1. Make sure that all of the data is imputed properly or else the PC will not be able to communicate with the fogger. Then select OK. Close the top 2 windows, leaving only the network and sharing center window. This window will show you when the unit is connected. Take the Ethernet cable that's connected to the computer and connect to the Wi-Fi board on the unit. It is a little silver box. It should click when it's properly connected. Now, plug in the unit to a power source. There should be green and orange little lights flashing. This indicates that the unit is communicating with the computer and vice versa. If we hop back over to the computer, you'll see that an unidentified network section has appeared. And if you look to the right of it, you'll see that the connection is Ethernet. This is a visual confirmation